Hey everybody, Jason here today and welcome to my channel. So today's video is a special video. It's a video that I have never done before, I don't think. No, I haven't did this type of video before. But this video is a collaboration, and it is a collaboration with some wonderful ladies here on YouTube, and it is hosted by my friend Jessica from Jessica Myrose. So be sure to check out her channel as well as the playlist. You know it's going to be a playlist. Be sure to check it out after you finish watching my video. So this video we are supposed to be sharing for the month of April what our favorite things are that we tried out. So if that don't make sense, then just leave me a comment. Even if it do make sense, leave me a comment. Alright, let's get started with this video. Okay, so I'm just going to give you guys 5 things that are my favorite for the month of April. And the first item is this pizza. This pizza. Bam, people! Look at that! 7 cheese pizza. I had this in a grocery haul, which I will link somewhere at the top here, about this type of pizza. This pizza right here, the Rising Crust 7 cheese pizza. It is the Sam's Choice at Walmart for $5.98. This pizza is the bomb. Woo. Out of all the frozen pizzas, I have talked about this before, this is my favorite. It's my favorite. I get it pretty much every week. I love this pizza, okay? And you should try it out too. So my second item is these things here that I got from Amazon. These cordless headphones. They are Bluetooth, and I just love them because they connect like really good with my iPhone. You can fold them up, and they also have a case too, but you can fold them up, which I'm gonna try and do that on camera because, to be honest with you, I haven't folded them up since I have gotten them from Amazon. Okay, I can't seem to fold them up at the moment. Here we go. There we go. You fold them up. Uh-oh, and I may have connected them. Anyway, you can fold them up, and that's one thing that I love, is being able to fold them up like that. Here we go. Ha! It took me some time there, people. Like I said, I haven't folded these things back up like this since I got them. This is how they came. They were in a black package for the most part, and I got them like this. So anyway, I love these. I really do. I use them pretty much every day. Sometimes I'm like washing the dishes or cleaning up around the house or doing something. I use them to have calls with my husband. Sometimes he say I can't. So I almost have to yell a little bit. But other than that, I really like these though. Like I said, they're Bluetooth capability. You can use them with any iPhone, and I don't know for sure if you can use them with an Android. I'm sure that you can. This is that I don't have an Android to connect them to. Well, I do. Let's put it this way. Before you purchase, if you decide to get these, just make sure that you can connect them to an Android as well. I have an iPhone 12, and like I said, these work just well with them. I listen to, you know, biblical things with them. I listen to YouTube videos. I listen to anything pretty much with these headphones. They're the bomb. So make sure you check them out too, from Amazon. Okay, another one of my favorite things. This is the third item here. This goes without saying, people. The pink stuff. The pink stuff paste. Man, this. I don't know what they put in this, but it really does a good job with cleaning a lot of different things around the house. Am I shaking this too much? I get it. I'm gonna keep shaking it though. All I know is I have cleaned the tub with it. I have cleaned my stove with it. I've cleaned some chairs around the house with it. And it's real good. I will say it is real good with getting the water stains, you know, that pink color discoloration that happens when you've been running the shower for a period of days, and then it creates that buildup. This will get rid of that pink stuff, even though no point intended is the pink stuff. But I'm just saying it gets rid of the pink stuff that's in your tub, in your shower. Make sure you check it out. The bomb. I said that 3 times, didn't I? That's why these are my top 5 things right here, people. All right. So now, this next item here is a book. Yes, a book. This book is called Married Sex. I was wondering, am I going to really talk about this on YouTube? You know what? It's been very beneficial for my husband, and I was like, why not? I love this book. Anyway, this book is by Gary Thomas and Deborah Fileta. I don't want to pronounce her name wrong, but I think that's right. If I didn't pronounce it right, I'm sure somebody will correct me in the comments. Just be nice about it, people. We don't have that type of tribe where people just disrespect people, so be nice. Anyway, so this is a Christian couple's guide to reimagining your love life. That's what it's all about. Let me just read a little insert from the back of this book here. So, a great sex life is something you make, not something you find. This book, my husband and I have been reading it for the past month, and I'm going to tell you, it is very beneficial. I can't even remember, what page are we on here? Oh, I think we're on page 48. It really has helped with opening up line of communication as it comes to your marriage and sex. So make sure that you would be willing to be checking out this book, because I'm just saying, even if you are not a Christian, it is beneficial. So this is just my opinion. Like I said, be nice, people. So in my opinion though, you should check out the book. And my last thing is a TV show. So I was trying to break it up with talking about a book, talking about some food, and talking about some electronics and a TV show. And here we are. Bridgerton. Oh my goodness. Woo! I'm on season 2 with my husband. Man, season 1 was like there, but season 2 is right here. This is a Netflix show, by the way. They do also have books on Amazon. I believe it's 8 books. I can't remember the name or the author, but anyway, all I'm gonna tell you is you got to check it out. It's the #1 series on Netflix right now, and if you haven't heard of it, where have you been? It's a period show. I can't remember what period it is. I'll probably put it somewhere around here, you know, at the top, at the bottom, somewhere to let you know. Anyway, being a period show, it is fabulous. So my husband and I, we like period shows anyway. It puts you all over the place with your feelings. You are happy, you are sad, you are every type of feelings that you feel as a human being, you feel with watching this series. Be sure and check it out. I don't want to tell too much. It is based off a family called the Bridgertons. And is a society of high class people, and there are some interesting things that happen with this family. So the first season was based off of the oldest daughter and her love life, basically, and what was going to happen with that. And their costumes, oh my goodness, I'm really liking seeing those costumes. Well, it is interesting to see what the men and women wore back in the day. As I was saying though, so this Netflix show, you gotta see it. You gotta check it out. If you have Netflix, You can't be without watching the show. You got to check it out. So, anyway, I just want to thank Jessica Myrose for this open collab. This is my first time doing this particular collaboration, or yeah, I would say it's my first time because I usually do cleaning and decluttering and organizational type of videos for the most part, but I was like, why not try and do something a little bit different to add to my content. I'm just hoping that you guys like this type of video because, like I said, I normally don't do videos like this. So I hope that you liked my top 5 things for the month of April. So be sure to check out Jessica's channel and check out the playlist. And I'll see you guys in the next one.